Welcome to the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse LT. The LT Traverse is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Traverse, power windows, locks, and mirrors, height adjustable trunk release, leather-wrapped steering wheel, push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with OnStar navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats, automatic shifter knob. Vehicle does have the 4x4 dial as well. You have the all black interior and the Traverse cloth heated seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with Michelin winter tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, Traverse on the front door, color matched mirror caps. Coming to the front, we have the chrome accent grille, gold bow tie, LED daytime running lamps, and fog lights. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows. The Traverse at the back, rear parking sensors, dual chrome exhaust tips, power tailgate, backup camera, as well as your trailer tow package. Jumping into the interior here, second row captain's chairs, both cloth and car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving you access to our third row, a 60/40 cloth split as well. Over top, tons of headroom, tons of legroom throughout the whole Traverse. We have dome lighting, as well as your rear climate control and USB ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.